quick, I just want to show y'all happy Sunday. I want to come back. I did a little video earlier, but I want to show y'all what $60 bought me today at Sam's. Fritos are making chili beans. My son wanted Fritos with it. My 213-gallon bags. The, how many packs is this? Trying to see how many packs is it. I think it's 15 packs. I think. And these plates. Y'all, these plates have gone up to $20. They are very sturdy. I also use these to transport our cake. The cake when I bake the cakes for church, I use these to transport them and put foil around them, and we frost them at church. $60 for just this. My goodness. Prayers to anybody that's with a big family, a whole bunch of kids and stuff. Oh my goodness, we're in some times where we have to be frugal and we have to be mindful of how we spend our money. Thanks for watching, y'all. Be blessed. Much love. Bye.